Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OPPO RENO6 5G. Start by opening Play Store on both devices and tapping on the search bar. Now type send anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then open it. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. We need to wait for this one to download and do the same. I accept, confirm, continue and allow. And now finally we can click send on an Android and receive on OPPO. Then tap on all of those type of dots and select send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go into photos category, select one of them, tap on send and click got it, only for example. Over here we have the connection ways. We can input this key over here and tap on receive or scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, click on this scanning icon on OPPO. Over here select while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the QR code. Now we need to wait a bit, and as you can see my photo was successfully sent. If you wish to make sure of it, you can always go into, for example, Files app, click on In My Kids Images and look for Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!